Hey everybody, this is Zach from Rebel 42. Today we're going to go over some lift kits. This right here is a low profile lift kit. So this is a nice option because you can still have the bigger wheels on it and not have to lift up your golf cart a lot, either if you like the factory look or you don't want to step super high getting in and out of it. That's the way to go.
So these are two of our options here. As you can see, the one on the right has a 6-inch lift kit on it, and you can see that stands significantly higher than the one on the left. You kind of give you an idea there for some reference. This is a popular option for off-roading, or a lot of people choose it just for the design. Overall, some people just like the lifted look on it. There also is something called a spindle lift kit, which is on this white one here, and this is cool because it's a lot less expensive than the A-arm lift kit, but you do lose some turning radius when using it, and we'll show you the A-arm lift kit next right here. This is a close-up visual of the A-arm lift kit. Like we said before, this one's going to have a little bit of a better turning radius than the other ones, but it does sit about the same height.
We do offer one more option for a lift kit. It's actually a 3-inch lift kit, which, as you can imagine, is a nice in-between option between the stock here and the 6-inch. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these lift kits, you can call 919-662-4200 or visit us at www.rebel42.com.